Welcome to the Advanced Hobby Lab. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the HOTO 3.6V Cordless screwdriver. Most screwdrivers on the market tend to be small precision tools, ideally suited for stuff like laptop repair. I wanted something a little bit beefier. I found this guy. It seems to be one of the larger electric screwdrivers on the market without being as big and bulky as a power drill. You may have seen my previous video where I built a robot dog entirely from 3D printed parts. That was a very exhausting process. I used a manual screwdriver to screw in the screws directly into the plastic parts. It took forever and my arm was rather tired at the end. So I figured it was about time that I just bite the bullet and buy an electric screwdriver. So I had a few requirements that I wanted for an electric screwdriver. First off, it needs to be high torque. I wanted something that could actually drive screws into plastic so I could do more robotics projects in the future. My second concern was that it just looks good on camera. Because I've enjoyed making these videos. I would like to make more of these videos. But a lot of these electric screwdrivers have hand placements that are rather close to the actual bit. And I was concerned that my hand might get in the way and you might not be able to see what I was actually working on. So we're going to test that here in a bit. So let's get started. Okay, so looking at the package, it looks like a nice sleek box. Got this delivered using Amazon, so the corners are a little bit banged up, but I think that's alright. Turning it over, you can see the different bits it has. I'm probably mostly going to just use the Phillips head, so it's good to have a few options. Turning it over, we get some detailed information about model number, voltage, weight. You can see this is the package that comes with the 12 bits. It comes with a USB-C cable, so that's all good. Turning it over, just says the bits again. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, this seems to be the USB cable. Keep that. Oh, a little heavy. Okay. So this is the package. Nicely wrapped. Slide that out. Okay, so it feels very nice, very sturdy. This bottom part, I'm guessing is plastic, but this top part seems to be metal. I'm guessing some kind of a machined aluminum. Got little notches here for the locking and unlocking. So I'll unlock that, open it up. So here's the actual screwdriver. Nicely also packaged. Give that open. Slide that out. Okay, so there it is. In the base here, you got all your bits. So that's convenient. See if I can pull them out. Nice and snug, so they don't seem to fall out. So pleased with that. Got a little cap on the end here. Little rubber cap. I can just pull that off. And sort of bit. So magnetic locking, so it's not falling out. That's good. Feels like a nice sturdy construction. Soft, but very durable. I can, really put some force into it. It doesn't seem to bend or creak at all. Very nice. Up here, looks like you can see 4 little notches. So you have off of torque 1, 2, and 3. Got your forward and backwards button. USB-C power the back there. So if I turn it to 1, okay, so I can already feel a little force, a little torque when it starts spinning up. That's nice. The speed seems adequate. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it seems rather fast. So 2 and 3. And to my understanding, it's supposed to lock, so when you turn it to off, it's now technically a manual screwdriver, so I might give that a shot. Okay, so let's do a few tests with this first. I ended up printing these little test bricks that have a hole printed in them, a pilot hole for an M3 screw, so this should be a good test. First, I wanted to do a quick manual test so I can compare them visually. A manual screwdriver versus the electric screwdriver. So, got my manual screwdriver here. Get the screw started. Alright, finally got it in. Took a good amount of effort. Definitely kind of started to feel the burn in my arm, but got it in. Okay, let's test the electric screwdriver now. I'll go ahead and get the screws started. Alright, so it's set to off. I'm going to try the first level. Okay, seems... Wow, okay, that worked. I was assuming I would have to click it up a few notches, but that went just right in. And just came right out. So I'm pretty happy with that. My initial reaction is that I am rather pleased with this purchase. It definitely had enough torque for my applications. I think it would be very useful for other home improvement projects around the house. It was able to drive the screws in much faster than I could do manually. You might have noticed I did not use a time lapse in the footage. So that was very convenient. I think that made my videos look a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer, so I'm pleased with that. If you found this review helpful, please be sure to give me a like. And if you would like to see future build videos that I do, possibly featuring the HOTO electric screwdriver, be sure to subscribe. And thank you for watching.